addicted to anything fast with a motor, and since then has been able to slow him down. Now with 4,200 hours of forward air time and in 50 different aircraft later, he is ready to give you one rock and roll. There's a couple of step rolls on the down line. Mr. Wursten and the incredible aerobatic machine known as the MX2. Powered by a 355 horsepower engine. The important quality of a competition level aerobatic machine is its gravity light. And this airplane weighs only 1,350 pounds. And as you can see, it has an incredible roll rate of 420 degrees per second. Lots of smash, right down towards the ground. All the spiral tower, look at them twisting there in the sky, continuing to keep the nose pointed straight up. Now this is over the top, flat spinning the airplane as he comes back down towards the ground. In a tandem configuration, he is actually flying this airplane from the back seat. Point rolls on the upline, continues to climb. Look at the incredible power to weight ratio on the MX2. Hard left runner, and over Brett goes in a maneuver we call the hammerhead. Now a number of stop rolls on the down line. Coming in at show center. This is going to be in just a couple of seconds, the torque of the engine is going to take over and continue to rotate that airplane along its axis. Look at this, folks, raining up there. He's hanging the airplane on the prop. Eventually, gravity takes over. That's cool, man. That's what 420 degrees per second roll rate looks like. He performs and sets up momentarily for a maneuver called the flip top. All the way down to the end of the runway at the eastern end of the field. He's going to arc up and perform for his second half-human turnaround. Again, a series of rolls on that 45-degree down line. And let's roll into these back rolls. Wursten looking at the top side of the airplane, now shoves the stick forward, and almost goes into I told you, Lincoln, encouragement that these young people received. He calls this turnaround maneuver the tsunami. Putting the airplane in what we call the knife edge. The fuselage is what's creating the lift there in that maneuver. And once again, rolling the airplane in a very gentle, graceful barrel roll. Folks, are you enjoying Brad Wursten in the MX2? What an incredible airplane and what an incredible pilot. Look at this, folks. He calls that the Cyclone. Sometimes operating this machine at just above the stall level or stall speed. Maneuvers that you see right down on the deck. Laying the smoke in the grass, doing a little bit of butt control. Over the top he goes. He is just floating there at almost 0 miles per hour, folks. Again, giving you a look at the incredible power-to-weight ratio of the MX2, an airplane that was designed and built for one thing, and one thing only, and that is to win aerobatic contests and to do incredible aerobatic routines at air shows like you're seeing here today. With the show line, up into the sky he goes. The sky, giving you a good look again at the top of the MX2. Now the bottom side. Look at this. It's going to flip the airplane over its nose again. Just hanging there upside. Oh, Brad Wursten is having a great time up there here today. I want to thank Brad for coming all the way up from Utah to join us for this year's airplane. Look at this, a very sharp turnaround right down on the deck again. I think this is going to be a photo pass. This is going to stream along the runway there and then pulls back on the stick. Folks, believe it or not, he's probably experiencing upwards. And now he's going to turn back to the helicopter as he just goes to the folks in the area. Flight there, just side slipping in the wind, folks. Give Brad Wursten a wave as he flies down. You need an incredibly powerful airplane to be able to perform that kind of maneuver, and especially so low to the ground. I think Brad is very, very happy with that performance because you saw that little victory roll at the end. Brad Wursten from Logan, Utah in the MX2. And now very gently touching down on the runway. That is Brad Wursten's amazing performance in the MX2. Let's give him a huge round of applause for all that hard work he did for us today. It's like this one. Brad Wursten in the MX2. Like the G280.